原さんの日記始まるよ。
Guys riding on backbiting and get away with lies. No matter what it takes, always gonna cry. The only thing that matters is you get what you decide. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. Shut down when the world will stop without a sound. In a moment you will cry for help, and we only think about ourselves. Oh yeah. The first time that I met you, I thought it looked so sweet. I stood around for the hills beating a retreat. And when I heard you talking with that alluring sound, should have recalled the sirens and how that things went down. Living on the trenches, looking for a way to escape. You always cut me down like a dreamer's with the grapes. But never mind how I tried to leave you behind. I kept falling in your net. Oh, I've been so blind. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what have you done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. And you hear the roar of the shutdown when the world will stop without a sound. And the moment you will cry for help, and we only think about ourselves. Oh yeah. But I know for sure the day will come when you first realize what you have done, and you finally get your debt repaid and revenge is served on a cold plate. Oh yeah, on a cold plate, on a cold plate, on a cold plate. Die Stadt ist voll, wir gehen raus, doch heute sind wir nur auf uns fixiert. Unsere Augen weichen sich nicht aus, die Lippen warten auf das, was passiert.
返しだ。
You know, when this long night will fade away, and we go back to our old ways, two perfect strangers in disguise. When the sun is going to stretch its arms on the road, turn us again with his shrill call into perfect strangers in disguise. But until then, forget that crazy world. Yeah, until then, no need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night. Black in this room is finally right for having a last bite. This time we'll start again. He's crazy, right? An ideal place for us to hide. Two perfect strangers